The history of serving forgotten people is highlighted by individuals who inspire their colleagues to similar career aspirations. INMED is pleased to continue this effective tradition by announcing annual winners of the 2012 International Medicine Awards. The 2012 INMED International Medicine Award. This award recognizes an individual who has made a significant contribution to health in developing nations. The 2012 International Medicine Award recipient is Steve Foster, MD. Dr. Foster and his wife Peggy have lived in Angola, Southern Africa since 1975. The first 15 years he provided surgical care at the famed Kalukimba Hospital in the midst of Angola's Blood Diamonds Civil War. When he recognized the limitations of international healthcare volunteers like himself, Dr. Foster initiated a residency training program for Angolan physicians. Most recently, he partnered with Samaritan's Purse and the Angolan Association of Evangelicals to establish the Lumbangu Evangelical Medical Center, which has been serving the nation since 2005. The 2012 INMED HIV Leadership Award. This award recognizes a person who has made a significant contribution toward the control of HIV. The 2012 HIV Leadership Award recipient is Mark Byler, MD. Since 2004, Mark, along with his wife Angie and son Luke, have lived full-time in Nyhus Baptist Hospital in Zimbabwe, Southern Africa. Zimbabwe, once the most prosperous nation in Africa, is today rated as having the worst quality of life of any nation on our planet. 20% of Zimbabwe's people are HIV positive, and half of all the patients admitted to Nyhus Baptist Hospital are HIV infected. In spite of these odds, Dr. Byler is a leader in providing HIV drug therapy to some 200 citizens at a time. He also manages the complications and opportunistic infections associated with HIV, including profound malnutrition, tuberculosis, and PCP pneumonia. In recent years, Zimbabwe is witnessing a decline in HIV infection, thanks in part to exemplary healthcare professionals like Dr. Mark Byler. Receiving his award is his wife, Angie Byler. The 2012 INMED International Healthcare Preceptor Award. This award recognizes an individual who has made an important impact in training future international healthcare volunteers. The 2012 International Healthcare Preceptor Award recipient is Cindy Obenhaus, RN. Cindy began her service to the world's most marginalized people with a simple mission trip to Haiti in 1987. From this experience grew a dream of sustainable health improvement that culminated in 2004 with the establishment of Maison des Naissances. This modern birthing home is staffed entirely by Haitians caring for their own in the Western Hemisphere's poorest nation. Most recently, Cindy is a lead instructor in Helping Babies Breathe, a newborn resuscitation program that trains healthcare staff to provide life-saving care during the critical first minute after birth. Cindy says, "As a Christian, I'm called to go out into the world, to step out of my comfort zone. Being uncomfortable is good. It's where we best serve and grow as people. Go ahead, get uncomfortable." The 2012 INMED National Healthcare Service Award. This award recognizes a citizen who is a role model in providing health care for his or her own people. The 2012 National Healthcare Service Award recipient is Jeremy Kirchoff, MD. As a medical student at Kansas University Medical Center, he enrolled in the INMED International Medicine Certificate Program, studying at the Baptist Medical Center in northern Ghana, West Africa. Today, Dr. Kirchoff is the first full-time physician at the New Hope Family Care Center located in Kansas City's most vulnerable and underserved neighborhood. Dr. Kirchoff explains, "My experience in Ghana contributed immensely to my desire to care for underserved people wherever they are located. Parallel to Ghana, my practice in Kansas City today utilizes the cross-cultural skills and advanced disease management I learned in Africa." Dr. Kirchoff offers a challenge. Are you interested in this kind of career? Then find role models who are living the way you want to live. Follow their example. Accepting his award is Dr. Kirchoff's wife, Leah Kirchoff. The 2012 INMED Humanitarian Crisis Response Award. This award recognizes an organization that provides exemplary disaster response services for highly vulnerable communities. The 2012 INMED Humanitarian Crisis Response Award recipient is Emanuel Hospital Association. EHA was founded in 1970 as an indigenous Christian health and development agency serving the people of North India. Since then, EHA has grown to a network of 20 hospitals, 30 community health centers, and special programs in community development and HIV care. EHA also hosts an active disaster management and mitigation unit, which provided emergency assistance in the wake of the 2005 Indian Ocean tsunami. More recently, the EHA disaster unit has been responding to massive flooding within India, marooning entire villages for weeks at a time. EHA assistance includes provision of emergency temporary shelters, safe drinking water, sanitation support, cooked meals, medical care, and epidemic control, all in coordination with Indian authorities to avoid duplication of relief supports and ensuring fair distribution of relief services. Accepting for the Emanuel Hospital Association is Dr. Howard Searle, Director of EHA's United States Office. The 2012 Commonelist Award for Compassionate Service to Humanity. This award was established by the INMED Board of Directors to recognize people who demonstrate care and concern for the needy, who give selflessly of their time and resources, and who inspire others to take similar action. The 2012 Commonelist Award for Compassionate Service to Humanity recipients are Wendy and Greg Nyhus. Before they ever met, Greg was the business administrator for Kujip Nazarene Hospital in Papua New Guinea, and Wendy was a nurse serving in Swaziland. After marrying, the couple and their children Aiden, Carter, and Sukanya served at Baptist Medical Center in northern Ghana, where they coordinated the host of international volunteers. The Nyhuses also helped establish a chicken farm to support the orphanage, both by providing food to eat and eggs to sell. Greg and Wendy are both graduates of Mid-American Nazarene University in Olathe, Kansas. Reflecting on his life, Greg observes, "When you follow the Master and are open to his leading, he will usher you on adventures beyond your dreams."